Hi there! Today I'm gonna show you how to achieve this Glam Wedding Guest makeup look. Follow this step-by-step makeup tutorial and by the end of the video you will be ready to go. My name is FrankieFrancy and I do makeup video tutorials, reviews and more videos like this one over here. If you're new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please consider subscribing. To make things quick, I have already applied foundation. So I'm gonna start with bronzer. In this case, I'm using bronzer to give a little bit of, suntan glow to my skin, and I'm applying it as a contour. As you can see, in the middle of the cheeks, on the chin, jawline, and on the forehead. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use a cream product so that it's smudge proof and it will last all day, as this is a wedding guest makeup tutorial, so that's what you need. All products will be listed in the box description below. For the eyeshadow to last all day, I'm applying a primer, and on top of it, to set the primer, I am applying a neutral eyeshadow. So now onto the crease, we're going to use two mid-tone transition shades, in this case two browns. As you can see, I'm using a blending brush. Why a blending brush? Because the effect will be very faded and it will just give that transition effect that I'm going for. Now I'm going to deepen my crease with other two browns and I'm changing my brush. This brush is actually more dense, so it packs onto the lid more color. Again, when blending, I move back to the previous brush, which is less dense and as a consequence softer. With the flat brush, we're going to apply a shimmer shade on the rest of the eyelid, especially from the corner to the middle. To give my eyes an awake and wider effect, I'm going to apply this shimmer eyeliner into the inner corner of it. And then afterwards, I'm lining my eyes with a just simple black gel eyeliner. Take your time to eyeline your eyes, as you know, it's a delicate process. Remember that if you need to correct or retouch your wing, your eyeliner wing, then you can always go back with a teeny weeny brush and a little bit of concealer. To end the eyes, remember to apply mascara. Of course, we curled our lashes before. Moving on to the face again, I did a little bit of nose contouring to make the point of my nose a little bit thinner. As you can see, I go into the crease and then back to the point of the nose. Moving forward to our cheeks. In this case, as a blush, I'm using two eyeshadows of the palette, the Kylie palette that I was using for the eyes, and I mixed two of them together, and as you can see, they were a little bit too strong. They are so pigmented, as you can see, I picked too much. Anyway, don't worry, the important thing is that you have a clean brush and you can brush off the excess. Moving on to the lips, I'm gonna use a lip pencil and a lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury. These colors are Pillow Talk, they have both the same name. And as you can see, it's a very delicate brown rose, which I really like, by the way. To finish off the face, I'm going to apply some highlighter. And I'm placing it on the bridge of the nose, on the cheekbone, forehead, and a little bit on the highest part of my brow bone. Now fix everything with a fixing spray or setting spray, whatever you have. Some people may also use hairspray. That's like the makeup artist trick. So here the look is done. I hope you really enjoyed this makeup look. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me and subscribe to my channels. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and of course on www.frankiefrancy.com. Ciao, I'll see you next time.